Welcome to The Explainer. All right, today we're talking about something huge, the art of saying no. We're going to dive right into how you can do it without feeling guilty and finally get some of your time, your energy, and honestly, your peace of mind back.
Let's just start with this because this quote really hits home, doesn't it? If you are that person, the go-to for, well, everything, then you know this feeling. You have definitely felt that heat. That's exactly what we're digging into today.
Okay, so why? Why do we keep saying yes even when every single part of us is screaming no? Well, it turns out there's a name for it. It's called the good person trap.
I mean, come on, who hasn't been there? It feels so familiar, right? And that's because for a lot of us, we've been taught almost from day one that our worth is all about how available and useful we are to other people.
And this is the really sneaky part of the whole thing. The trap makes you believe that being completely wiped out is a good thing. Like it's a badge of honor, a sign you're a good person. But let's be real, it's not. It's just a slow way of erasing yourself.
But wait, there's more. The good person trap is a huge piece of the puzzle, for sure. But the reason you feel so fundamentally drained, a lot of it comes from something you probably don't even notice. It's called invisible labor.
And look, we're not just talking about doing chores here. This is about all that mental energy, all that brain space. It's like you've got a dozen apps running in the background at all times, just to make sure everyone else's life is working. No wonder your battery is always at 1%.
So take a look at these roles. Do any of them sound a little too familiar? Maybe you're the predictor, always trying to solve problems before they even happen. Or the peacekeeper, just trying to keep the vibes good. Or maybe you're the human database, holding on to everyone's birthdays and appointments. Or just playing the part of the good person. And as you can see, each one has a real cost.
And here's the real twist. It's a total paradox. By always stepping in and helping, you're not just burning yourself out, you're actually kind of robbing the people you care about of the chance to learn how to do things for themselves. It's wild when you think about it.
Okay, so that's the problem. How do we fix it? How do we get out of this mess? It all starts with learning something new, the art of the no. And the big secret here? Every time you say no to something, you're actually saying a quiet yes to something for yourself.
This is so important. You have to stop saying I'm sorry for having boundaries. An apology means you did something wrong. But a boundary? That's not wrong. It's just a fact. It's like saying the sky is blue.
All right, enough with the theory. Let's get to the good stuff, the practical tools. We've got 5 simple, super effective scripts you can literally start using today. First up, for work. This one is an absolute game changer. Instead of just saying, sorry, I'm busy, which sounds kind of weak, right? You say this. It's professional, it's firm, and get this, it makes your no sound like you're actually committed to doing high-quality work. Brilliant.
Okay, now for family stuff, which can be tricky. This script is perfect. It frames your no as that quiet yes we talked about, a yes to taking care of yourself. It's not personal against them, it's just pro-you, and that makes it really hard to argue with.
You know that moment with friends when you just blurt out yes without thinking? This script is your new secret weapon. What I love about this is that it treats your energy like money in the bank. You have to check your balance before you spend it. It's such a powerful idea.
All right, what about when someone just won't take no for an answer? You need a showstopper. This script does exactly that. It shuts down the negotiation, period. It's calm, it's respectful, but it's a brick wall.
And finally, how do you hand back all that invisible labor? This script is pure genius. It's built on trust. Instead of apologizing for not doing something, you're actually complimenting them, saying, hey, I trust you to handle this. It completely flips the script.
Okay, let's be realistic. You start using these scripts and some people aren't going to love it, so you need to be ready for the pushback. Let's walk through the 3 most common ways people will react.
First up, you've got the guilt tripper and the negotiator. You'll meet them, for sure. The trick here is simple. You hear what they're saying, but you don't pick up the guilt they're trying to hand you. You just calmly show them that your boundary is a wall, not a door. But honestly, the hardest one to deal with is often the silent treatment. So what's your comeback? This is tough, but it's also silence. You just let it be. You let them feel what they're feeling, because their feelings are not your job to manage. Now, a quick heads up. The second you say no, you're probably going to feel this wave of panic or guilt. That's totally normal. It's just your old good person programming kicking in. Don't panic. The key is to just sit with it. Breathe.
It feels like forever, but that feeling, it'll usually start to fade in about 10 minutes.
So please, please remember this. That uncomfortable feeling is not a red flag telling you you've messed up. It's the exact opposite. It's the feeling of progress. It's the sound of a stronger, healthier you being built, one no at a time.
So let's wrap up with this idea. Saying no isn't about shutting things down. It's about opening things up. It's about creating space in your life. So, the question I want to leave you with is this. Every time you say no, what amazing thing are you finally saying a quiet yes to?